Good morning. I feel good today. Today is our trip day. Let me make breakfast. The kids will love this. Good morning. Today feels very special.
Good morning, Carlos. Yes, today is our family trip.
I woke up early. I am making breakfast.
It smells very nice. Toast and eggs make me happy.
I feel calm and excited. The morning is beautiful.
Tommy and Sophie are still sleeping. They look so peaceful.
Let them sleep a little more. Today will be a fun day.
Yes, a happy day for our family. Tommy? Tommy? Sophie?
I am dreaming. 5 more minutes.
Come on, kids. Get up. We have to go on a trip today.
Trip day! Yay! Let's go! Ah!
Passport. Yes, it is here. Let me check again.
Fold nicely to save space.
Mom, can I pack my teddy? He wants to come with me.
Your Teddy again? He goes everywhere with you.
He feels scared alone. He needs a trip too.
That is very kind. But we need space in the suitcase.
I will make space. I will fold my clothes nicely.
All right, little traveler. Your Teddy can come with us.
Yay! He will love the trip.
Now let's finish packing. We leave soon.
Okay, let's load the bags. Careful, one by one. Okay, everyone, listen carefully. Let's start loading the bags now. We need to do this slowly and safely. This suitcase is heavy. I will put it inside first. We must be careful with everything. These bags need to fit properly. I will arrange them like a puzzle. Yes, now this looks better.
Here are the small bags, Carlos. These ones can go on the side. Please place them carefully.
I can help too, Dad. I am strong enough now. I want to help like an adult.
That's very nice, Tommy. You are helping a lot today. I am proud of you.
Bye-bye, dear house. Please stay safe while we are gone. We will come back soon.
Let me check the door once more. Yes, it is locked properly. Everything is safe now.
I am checking the windows now. All the windows are closed. Good, we can leave peacefully.
The whole family walks to the car together. They look happy and excited. Everyone is ready to go.
The family is now inside the car. Their journey is about to begin. A new adventure starts today.
Please sit comfortably, everyone. Make sure your seatbelts are on. Tell me when you are ready. Everyone is comfortable? We have a long drive today.
Yes, Carlos. The road looks very peaceful.
Dad, are we far now? I am very excited.
Not far, Tommy. Enjoy the ride and relax.
I like sitting in the car. I can see many trees.
Yes, Sophie. Nature looks beautiful today.
This feels like an adventure. I am very happy.
Me too. Family trips are the best.
Let's enjoy every moment. This day is special.
All right, we have arrived safely. I will park the car here. Please get ready to step out.
Stay close to me, both of you. Hold your bags properly. We will go inside together.
Wow, this airport is huge. I have never seen one like this. It looks amazing.
Mom, it feels very big here. I am a little nervous, but I am excited too.